How to restart the iPhone 16 series. Now there are two different ways to do this. The first method is to press and hold on the lock button and the volume up button. So press on both keys simultaneously. Let's do it now. Press and hold. Then on the power menu, simply swipe across like this to shut off or shut down the iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds so that the phone will completely switch off. After that, you can then press on the power button or the side button here, press and hold and wait for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo appear, let go of all the buttons. Okay, so the phone has restarted, and that is method number one. And method number two is just swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Here there is a small power button. Press and hold onto that. And then swipe across. This will also allow you to restart the iPhone to shut down. And then you can press on the side button here to reboot. So press on it, press and hold. So just hold until you see the Apple logo appear. So you might need to wait for a few seconds. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.